HYTEK's 12-volt high-speed compressor kit is ideal for inflating tyres up to the size of a tractor and four-wheel drive tyre. Simply clip the coiled air hose to the pump using the quick-release clips. Attach to the battery with the pump's crocodile clips, then screw to the desired valve. Then flick the switch for immediate inflation. With a 3-metre battery cable, it's ideal to stretch to those faraway points. The added coiled hose gives it an extra 8 metres length, and with a built-in pressure gauge to visually keep a check on the correct inflation pressure. The supplied adapters mean that it's capable of inflating balls and bicycle tyres much quicker than a conventional hand pump. Lightweight and portable, it comes in a smart black carry case that neatly houses the pump, coiled air hose and various valve adapters.